Welcome to Exam Sale. This script outlines the syllabus for the Cisco Mobile Internet Technology for System Engineers exam and explains what to study and how the test is weighted. Overview of the exam structure and weights. Cisco WebEx Collaboration Device Portfolio is 30%. Installing Cisco WebEx Collaboration Devices is 25%. Operating Cisco WebEx Collaboration Devices is 20%. Preparing the environment is 15%. And troubleshooting Cisco WebEx Collaboration Devices is 10%. The recommended study time totals about 20 hours across domains, and the assessments include conceptual, scenario-based, and hands-on tasks to validate practical skills. Cisco WebEx Collaboration Device Portfolio weighs 30% and is rated easy with about 4 hours of study and conceptual plus scenario-based assessment. You will learn to identify hardware across the WebEx Room and Desk series, including differences between RoomKit, RoomKit Mini, and RoomKit Pro, and the features of Desk Pro and Desk series devices. The syllabus covers when to choose integrated versus discrete camera systems, speaker tracking and presenter track behavior, hardware ports and connection types for audio and video, and codec capabilities for multi-screen support. You will also study WebEx board models and WebEx Share, covering board sizes, digital whiteboarding, touch redirection, microphone and camera specs, and mounting options for different room sizes. Installing Cisco WebEx Collaboration Devices counts for 25%, is medium difficulty, and expects about 6 hours of hands-on and conceptual study. This domain focuses on physical assembly, cabling, and initial cloud integration for endpoint registration. You will practice wall mount and floor stand assembly, connecting peripherals like Touch 10 and WebEx Navigator, and implementing HDMI, USB-C, and Ethernet cabling standards while verifying camera positioning and microphone placement for optimal coverage. The configuration topics include running the setup assistant, configuring network settings such as DHCP and DNS, registering devices to the WebEx cloud using activation codes, performing software synchronization and updates, and verifying connectivity to WebEx platform services. Operating Cisco WebEx Collaboration Devices makes up 20%, is easy, and requires about 3 hours of scenario-based learning focused on interface interactions and administration. You will learn WebEx Control Hub administration to monitor device health and status, configure device settings remotely, manage workspace attributes and capacity alerts, and analyze utilization reports and analytics. The Call Control and Content Features section covers using proximity for wireless pairing and sharing, initiating and managing multi-party calls and meetings, configuring macros and UI extensions for custom controls, implementing digital signage and half-wake, and managing audio enhancements like noise removal and music mode. Preparing the environment is 15%, medium difficulty, and about 2 hours of conceptual and scenario-based study focused on network readiness and physical room design. Network topics include calculating bandwidth for 1080p and 4K video, identifying required firewall ports for signaling and media such as SRTP and HTTPS, verifying NTP and DNS accessibility, analyzing COS markings for video traffic, and understanding proxy and SSL inspection bypass requirements. Acoustic and lighting design topics cover evaluating room reverberation and RT60, implementing proper lighting angles and color temperatures, determining optimal display height and viewing distances, identifying acoustic noise sources and mitigation strategies, and selecting suitable wall colors and finishes for video. Troubleshooting Cisco WebEx Collaboration Devices is 10%, the hardest domain, and requires about 5 hours of scenario-based practice in diagnosing and restoring devices. You will learn diagnostic techniques to extract logs from device web interfaces and control hub, interpret call statistics and media quality metrics, use Xstatus and Xconfiguration commands, run integrated hardware diagnostic tests, and identify packet loss and jitter via on-screen displays. Recovery and maintenance skills include performing factory resets, troubleshooting Touch 10 and Navigator pairing, resolving HDMI edit and content sharing handshake issues, addressing camera calibration and tracking failures, and managing certificate errors and registration timeouts. In conclusion, use the domain weights and the suggested study hours to plan a 20-hour study roadmap that mixes hands-on labs with focused conceptual review. Prioritize the device portfolio and installation domains. Practice control hub and troubleshooting scenarios, and you will be well prepared for the Cisco Mobile Internet Technology for System Engineers exam.